Yes, my people, what go on. There about my people. Taking a little walk through the cherry orchard, my people. Yeah, man. Just get an early morning exercise, guys. To go up on the work. Next hour from now, you know. No, me have to keep the muscles them up. Yeah, man. Keep the muscles them fit. You know, so me take a walk and show no how go on, my people. The reason why you guys see the cherry them a pile up, why the factory reject so many cherry, my people. Cause like me say, come down to the ending of cherry season, guys, you know. Yeah, man, that's the reason why. So me I go show you what go on with the cherry them and thing. So me they right in the right place. Make you see what go on for myself, guys, you know. Yeah, man, so cherry them start to get a bit soft. And so when I reason with people, as I see, from a see cherry start fall off a tree like that, you know them I get soft. So the machine I go eventually reject them, you know. Yeah, man. And it's not easy to pay so many people to pick the cherry, and at the end of the day, you lose it. So I go on my people, cherry them start fade away, them start wither. That's the reason why, guys. See it? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna see it for myself, you know. Cause could I never hide how I go on from, you know, and also lots of small cherries as well. You know. See it? That's how I go on with people. So eventually this row never get touched. People can see lots of cherries still up on the tree. Oh, gone. This one. See this one, you can know, so this one look feeble, my people. See it? No good. That's how I go on. Cherry them get so soft. So that's the reason why I say the machine I reject them. You know? So this row never get touched. None tall, guys. Yeah, man. So the day I still stroll through and I exercise same way, you don't know. Yeah, man, you know that I have to go on, you know. Cause me no exercise the body, my people. Muscle them I go seize up, and I don't want that happen because, like me say, we just almost complete the cherry season. You know, we have the apple, another 8 weeks, roughly 2 months leave. You know, it's gonna be another busy season, my people. The difference between the apple guys is that I have more freedom and may have the chance to be outside, inside. The cherry now, it's always gonna be an inside thing for me, and that's a very, very rough one, you know, because you lock up inside for 3 hours, 16 hours per day. All you can hear in your ears, my people, are just machine. Fan, machine. My people, to be honest, it is so annoying. It is so annoying. Because when me dey inside, my people, that is one of the reasons why me don't really make a lot of video inside. It's so annoying, my people, and me always have to turn down the volume at each clip. And me just clip it. After me just put it together, save it, and then me go back and then turn down the video to a notch, you know, and then receive it back. You know. I mean, I really like that. I like when I speak, people can hear what me really I say, my people, you know. You know. I don't like when time you have to strain your ears to hear what me I say. No. So I kinda like the apple more. Cause it's the only noise I got hear with the apple when me enter the cooler, you know. You know the fan them I got in there. So from the fan them, you know, them loud, so you got hear them, but I got up on the outside, we can make some nice video showing what I go on, chucker pull up, chucker get unload, stuff like that, showing apple. Maybe we buy 2 apple or eat 2 apple when we're thirsty. So it's a different thing, you know. So yes, my people, there I go through the field. And also I want to say enough respect to each and every one of you guys for stood by, regardless. Me never get the chance to make some videos, but like me say, Cherry done you know. Almost we just have maybe like 3 days leave, you know. Yeah, man. So never the chance in the world can make some video and visit some place, you know. Cause it's been a while. I want to make some videos. Like, you have so much attraction here in Canada, guys, you know. And a couple of years now, I want to visit some place and make you guys really see what I go on, you know. So this is how I go on again, you know, my people. So much cherries start fall from the tree, cause them get weak, like me say. Cause you know when a cherry time, you know, my people and them a pick cherry, them turn off the water off of the fruits, because if them don't do that, the fruits are go fresh. As long as them start read, them are go lock off the water. You don't need no more water. You need just sunlight to eat the sugar. Yeah, man. Regardless, these cherry looking good, but they are so deceiving. Them say looks is deceiving, you know. Yeah, man. Lots of cherry, my people, still never get picked. See again, yeah, so lots of cherry start fall from the tree. So like me say, guys, look, this one look like them good, but them soft. Very, very soft. You know, so soft. So I go and see them with my people. Lots of cherry, me say, still never get picked, guys. Come on, soft again. Yeah, man, and couple row well no get touch, you know. And this is the field close by where I lived, you know. I'm telling you what I go on. You have some people come through and pick these cherries and sell. You know, these cherry can still eat. Yeah, man. You have people who come through and pick this cherry and sell it. Them just wash them and sell them, and some don't wash them. This cherry can eat, but it's not good for selling, you know. Can sell as domestic, but like I said, guys, are so soft, machine are gonna reject them. Man, these are staccato cherry. Just a head back up, you know, guys. Head back on the work. Man, put myself together, my people. You know, I go up on the work, you know. Muscles them ready for it, guys. And if you look closely, guys, you can see the difference Look, you can see some of the stem are yellow. That means start to ripe. And some are green. That's the more solid one. Yeah, man, so that's the problem. From you see them start get yellow, guys, you know. Man, these one look more solid. Yeah, man. See stem them still green. Alright, my people, hear me? I buck up on a couple baskets we get left in the field. You can look on them, they are no good. Just look at this, guys. You see it? They are no good. And these, to my belief, these get left after they stop the guys from picking. That's when they realized the cherry was no good, so them just leave these few baskets in the field. Couple more. Yeah, so too. Yeah, man. You can look closely. You realize these cherries no good. Oh, have no use. Well, I'm there through the field, my people. But just hear the cherry, them just a fall from the tree. Yeah, man. Cherry just a fall from the tree. So what I go do, my people, I'm going to show you guys some cherries. And remember when the helicopter was blowing it, the helicopter generated a strong wind and there's not one cherry fall from the tree. So what I go do, I'm going to show you how weak the cherry has become as the season go by. So that's one of the next reason again, you know. Yeah, man. So you have these cherry, guys, I'm going to shake it and I'm going to see them going to fall. You hear me, people? Here. Everything start fall from the tree. Everything start fall. So yes, my people, I just pull up on the work. And I go make a walk, go check in. All the nice in the background, guys. All courtesy of the fan them will run the factory. The fridge. Yeah, man. So I'm early upon the work. Guys, I'm not start work as yet, but I'm showing you what I go on. I saw you looking at me, people. Yeah, man. Start to bank up again. You know, look from now, the guys are come go on with some work, my people. Yeah, man. And a little bit of cherry, you know, my people. Look what I go on. You see how high the fan is. And look what I go on. See how high the cherry is. So the cherry is over 7 foot high. So what I go on. So I say basically, if the guys them down here to clean it, they start reverse back inside the factory. Go on like this. You push where you can push out and still bank up to a dimension where you cannot push it no more. Start overflow inside the factory. I just see what I go on. Show no. See what I go on now, my people. See it? Now clear it. Alright, you see it? See it, my people? This is it. I'm have to clear it, you know. See it? Go and clear it till the guys them come, you know. man, so when I do know, I head back into the factory. Because remember me telling you, my people, I work inside the factory. But just come out, come you guys a must, you know? Because you know sometimes you can feel down based on the pressure. You just come cheer them up at times and run 2 clips same way. As most people, that's when I come out, you have to be video then. You know? Yeah man, so I'm doing in the factory now. And things work are going. So I go get busy now with people, you know? Yeah man. So them look, you know. Look what I go on now. Look what I go on with people. See me I show them a lot of stemless. Cherry them I go to cherry them is so rotten. But we there still put in the work. You see it? Yeah man. Hard work of people, blood, sweat and tears. You see it? Finally, guys, them pull up on the job, you know. So I go on. See it? Yeah man, work I go on, you know. That is it. Rough, brother, rough. Oh God. I'm checking in again, my people and my black brothers. Hard work. Whoa. So yes, my people, back at it again. I'm going to make a next check-in for the guys, them to see what them are going with. Yeah man, them they are busy. And it's a surprise to you know, my people. Because finally, here's the cherry finish for the season. See the people. Yeah man, the guys them are going good. But last time I see over there where my cherry from, you know. All of this are full of cherry now. Them are going good with people, you know. Yeah man. So somebody that comment and say we're not throwing away this cherry, we use them for juice. It's impossible with people. Look at these cherries. Cannot use for juice. Is it so impossible? See it? Guys are hard at work. So what I go on. See it? Yeah man. Yeah man. You know I see about the little tank here now. Hard work, my people, blood, sweat and tears. Complain. Yo. Yeah. Tanto. Ready now. Ready. Bruno. Ready? Roof. This is where we dump all the cherry. This is a dump. is where we come dump the cherry and the apples, you know. So we at the dump. See? No good, man. See? So we pull up our dump yard and people ready for dump. See? Up more, up, 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 up. No more? So yeah, my people will just come dump off some cherry and I head back to the factory, you know? Yeah, man. And that is it. Now my people, I head back to the factory. The reason why I couldn't show when I head out, because I have to drive on the main road. And I can't drive with the phone every day, you know? So I'm leaving from the dump. Go we are pull up. Pull up like dump, you know? Yeah, man, all you? Yeah. Shovel up. Yes, my people, another day as an immigrant. Look man, look boy. Bad boy, ready for you. Much. Oh, the Axon. What is that beautiful about Buffalo? I them things are full of my house. Oh God. Me checking in again, my people and my black brothers. Hard work. Whoa. Me I come help them, you know. Me I help them, my people. Me come check in on them again, you know, my people. We give them a helping hand, you know. Yeah, man. I'm a soldier, you know, so can't make him overwork. Me have to help him, you know. You see him? Call him flower man. He meet a lot of dumplings. I'm strong. So I come give him a helping hand, guys. Wow. Oh God. A yellow boat look lazy though. Every day them full at least 20 of that or more. So this is the people we have to clear the line. If you don't clear the line, it'll go bank up and start dump off inside the factory. So this is it guys, you know? Yeah. There. You see the people start bank up already. The black brother, you know. Blood, sweat and tears.
Rough, brother, rough.
Oh, God.
You're pretty at but yo. Watch out, God. Over there.
Yeah, man. Show them how you do it out here.
Like this. Blood, sweat and tears.
Nah, spoil man. Pick up Odane. Benno. Show them how you do it, Benno. Yeah, man. Cherry for days.
Yeah, couple months, because this one last week, and this one you have the...
I want to change that.
The people, and the guys them are going good. But last time I see over down where my cherry from, you know. All of this are full of cherry now. Them are going good my people, you know. Yeah man. So somebody that comment and say we're not throwing away this cherry, we use them for juice. It's impossible my people. Look at these cherry. Cannot use for juice. Is it so impossible? See it? Guys are hard at work. Show me what I'm going. See it? Yeah man.
Where you gone? Come on,
man. You know, I see about the little tank here now. Hard work, my people, blood, sweat and tears. Yes, my people. Final day is here and I'm here chilling with one of the driver. Yeah man, who bring the cherry?
Guatemala.
No, Guatemalan. He's a Guatemalan. So you want big up Jamaica?
Guatemala.
Or big up...
Saludos desde Chile.
Yeah man. So you see it, me inside one of the truck, my people. Yeah man, I chill. As if me just are coming from the bush. It was a hard, rough, and yo, the season was very, very rough, my people. Blood, sweat and tears.